Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my blog. I'm a former holistic cosmetologist, makeup artist, and fashion photographer. It is currently a beautiful, super cold November day. I got up really early to go on a trail run, and the moment I stepped outside my door, it started snowing. It was absolutely magical and set the right vibe for the day. For today, the plan is to remove everything Halloween, everything autumn, and start prepping the house for winter and Christmas. I do not really feel like busting out everything red yet and everything super Christmassy. However, I do feel like removing everything that is Halloween and starting to kind of put out all of my winter stuff. I was actually supposed to be in LA this week. I did move my trip a few weeks because there were a lot of flight cancellations and my flight actually did get moved. So I figured I might as well cancel it and just wait a few weeks just to not get stuck in airports. As many of you know, I go back and forth to New York City very regularly. So I kind of did see a little bit of the travel stress and I just wanted to avoid that. Which means we will have some extra time to prepare the house, make it super cozy, make it super comfy. And I couldn't be more excited about that. With that all being said, I'm going to start it off with removing everything Halloween and probably take you guys a time lapse of that. Then I'm going to remove the rest of my summer autumn clothes and start to bring out everything winter. After all of that, I'm going to go get ready and head out because I'm going to Rhode Island for dinner. But before we get going, let me show you guys my newest Ralph Lauren haul. My absolute favorite piece from this newest haul is probably this very cute fleece-lined hooded sweater. I really love it. I can see myself wear it a lot. I wore it the other day with a blazer and it looked very cute. I've also wore it with my leather jacket and it also looks very cute. It's one of those pieces that depending on what you add to it and what you combine it with, you can kind of set the vibe of it. I love it. It is a very classic sweater. It is very warm. I can see myself wear this a bunch. Another thing that I got that I'm absolutely obsessed with, ta-da! Yes, it's shoes, are these unbelievably beautiful loafers. Look at this cute little card. It's a little happy autumn card. I love it. It has its certifications and everything in there. And ta-da! Oh my goodness, guys. I am so glad these come so well packaged because they are so beautiful. Oh my goodness. Guys, look at this shoe. I love the chocolate espresso brown suede, which is unbelievably stylish this year. I love the little logo on it. I love that it's so high quality. You can literally see how high quality this shoe is without even putting it on. I love the stitching here on the side. I love this detail in the back. Look at this. This is so beautiful. The thing that I really love about these shoes is that they have the grip at the bottom. If you live in New England, if you spend a lot of time in New York City, weather around here this time of the year is very unpredictable and there is nothing worse than wearing fancy shoes. Then all of a sudden it is a cold morning, it is freezing over. You have this unbelievably slippery shoes on that look beautiful but are way too slippery. Ones look unbelievably beautiful and thanks to the grip at the bottom, I know that I will not be sliding around wearing these. Another detail that I really love for comfort is the arch detail, and it is a very pillowed on the inside. They may not be the crazy flashy pattern, modern, whatever shoe, but they're really classic. You can always wear them and a shoe like that will last you for a very long time. The thing about this shoe is that it is suede. Suede is a very durable material. However, it does need some extra love and care. We'll probably show you guys in a different video how I like to take care of my shoes to make sure they last me for a very long time. If you know me, you know that I love everything corduroy, so I couldn't be more excited about this hat. I saw it and I knew I have to have it. Absolutely love it. It is high quality. There's so much attention to detail. As always with Ralph Lauren, I'll be wearing this a lot. The hat journey, I also got another wine red one. I know I already have one, but I did want to have a second one because my older one is already starting to be a little bit more of a maybe gardening hat for the next seasons. When it comes to hats, I am okay with having one that already looks like it has been used, it has been washed. I'll be wearing that one for yard work, etc., or maybe on the beach. But I do like to have brandy new ones that are like in very, very good shape and quality for where I'm out and about, out in the city, etc. Definitely mentioned it before, but I grew up wearing so much Ralph Lauren because my mom loves Ralph Lauren. Ralph Lauren is definitely a brand that always comes out with the best collections, etc. But they also have a classic collection that they pretty much always have, which are the basic colors like this hat that they always have. So every time I wear those basic layers, they definitely remind me of being a kid and growing up. And I really believe that my family and I wearing so much Ralph Lauren growing up really kind of made me create an extra connection with the brand. So up to this day, when I wear Ralph Lauren, it kind of feels homey, comforting, cozy, a little bit of a nostalgic, comforting thing for me to wear Ralph Lauren. And on top of all that, I must really tell you guys that I honestly really love their style. They always manage to find that perfect middle of elegant and sporty. Another thing that I got is this super basic t-shirt. I also got it in white, black, and green, but those are already in the wash because I had to wear them. Here again, very basic layers that I like to replace every 2 years or so, and then use the older one for yard work, etc. And then I have a brandy new one to rock. So this was my newest Ralph Lauren haul. I love everything that I've purchased and I can't wait to rock it all. I'm now gonna go change into something a little bit more comfy and start removing my Halloween decor. I don't know how far I will get today with getting out my winter decor, heading to Rhode Island to go on a little bit of a hike and then a dinner date. So it is a very busy day and I will get started because I definitely need to remove everything Halloween today. So I am currently finishing up my coffee, and once I'm done we will tackle this super cute Halloween mess behind me. definitely removed everything Halloween. All the fake spiders are gone, all the giant spiders are gone. I can't believe how well they actually folded up. Really ended up taking up not that much space at all, and I was kind of first worried about it because I figured, am I just gonna have 20 giant spiders sitting in my storage room? I do not. They folded up very, very nicely and went right back into their box. I am now dressed and ready to go. There are flurries outside. It is super, super cozy, and I can't wait to go on a little bit of a hike in Rhode Island. After that, I'm gonna go out on a dinner date, and I will probably see you guys back here tomorrow. Outfit of today, I'm wearing my brown yoga pants and I'm wearing my super, super cute Vans sweater with the embroidered Vans logo on it. Actually, let me show you guys the back of my sweater before I head out because it is a highlight. I don't know if you guys can see the whole print. I'm gonna step a little bit further away. I really, really love this Vans sweater. It is crazy, crazy oversized. However, on a day like today where it is really, really cold and it's actually snowing outside, it is very, very cozy. I'm now gonna go grab my jacket and I am out the door. I will see you tomorrow. Hey guys, it is currently the next day in the afternoon. It is really, really dark and cloudy today. I got back a while ago, did some emails, tackled some work, had some meetings. Now I am ready to head out, go see my drums, and take it easy for the rest of the evening. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this vlog, don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on the next one. Until then, take care. Love you. Bye.